Welcome to the tutorial room. Select a Chapter 3, Decimal Fractions. Point 4. Subtraction of decimals. In this section, we'll teach you how to subtract decimals. History. Both the Egyptians and Greeks used a symbolic base 10 numbering system. Since their systems did not incorporate place value, computations were cumbersome, especially those involving multiplication, division, or fractions. However, adding and subtracting were essentially performed the same way we add and subtract today. To add, the symbols in each category, ones, tens, hundreds, etc., were added. If the result for any symbol were more than 10, 10 units would be converted to the next higher symbol, just like carrying today. To subtract, the symbols in each category, ones, tens, hundreds, etc., were subtracted. To subtract a larger number from a smaller one, a symbol from the next higher category would be converted to 10 of the lower symbols, just like borrowing today. Subtracting decimals is as easy as subtracting whole numbers, as long as you line up the terms using the decimal point. To subtract decimal numbers, 1. Carefully arrange the numbers vertically, aligning the decimal points in each term. 2. Starting on the right and working left, subtract each column. If the digit being subtracted in a column is larger than the digit above it, borrow a digit from the next column to the left. 3. Place the decimal point in the answer directly below the decimal points in the terms. 4. Check your answer. Add the result to the number subtracted and verify that it equals the first number. Example 3.4.1. Click on the button to subtract. To subtract these terms, first arrange the terms vertically, lining up the decimal points in each term. You can add zeros to the right of the decimal point to make the column alignment clearer. Then, subtract the columns working from the right to the left, positioning the decimal point in the answer directly under the decimal points in the terms. Check your answer by adding it to the second term and making sure it equals the first term. Example 3.4.2. 87.56 minus 2.43 equals what? Line up the decimal points in each term like this. Then subtract the hundredths column. 6 minus 3 equals 3. The tenths column, 5 minus 4 equals 1. The ones column, 7 minus 2 equals 5. The tens column, 8 minus 0 equals 8. And put the decimal point for the answer directly below the decimal points in the terms, like this. To check, 85.13 plus 2.43 equals 87.56. Example 3.4.3. 29 minus 0.91 equals what? Line up the decimal points in each term like this. To make the column alignment clearer and borrowing easier, you can add a decimal point and zeros right of the decimal point to terms like this. Then subtract the hundredths column. 10 minus 1 equals 9, borrowing from the ones to make the tenths 10, then borrowing from the tenths to make the hundredths 10. The tenths column, 9 minus 9 equals 0. The ones column, 8 minus 0 equals 8. The tens column, 2 minus 0 equals 2. And put the decimal point for the answer directly below the decimal points in the term. Here are some practices. Try again. Yes, you are right. Good job, you're right. Yes, you are right.